Hello again and congratulations on making it to section 3 of the course. We're now going to look at the insert features. I've made this a distinct section because there's so much to learn in this particular section, because word processing documents are no longer just a static document, black and white and predominantly text. There's so much more we can add these days. So without going on too much further, if we just go to the insert menu, right at the top it says image, and I'll take you through some of the steps. So we can go in the upload section, so there's many possibilities here. So I can go to choose an image to upload. If I click on that, it will go to my files on my Mac. Click on the file, hit open, and it will come up onto the screen, of course. I can take a snapshot, so that's using a webcam. I'm not going to go through that one. If you have the URL of the image, you can simply paste the URL in there and it will go and grab it. You can go to your albums. So I don't actually have any photos in here because it's just a temporary account for this course. But if I had, they were there, you could also search them. You can go to your Google Drive and look for your images. So there's a couple of things there, so a drive or a house. So again, I just click on that, hit select, and I get myself that image there quite quickly. Okay, I'm going to delete that for the minute, so just highlight it and hit delete, and I'll take you through the other ones. So back into insert, to image again. We've gone through the drive. I'll just go back here. The final one is a search. This one isn't really all that useful, I find. So if we go and search for a car, it will find us some cars, but this particular part is supposed to show us colours. So if I wanted a green predominantly car, it should go and get us a green car, but clearly that's not working really well. So it's probably one to avoid. So I'll just cancel out of here for the minute. If I'm grabbing images, my technique is slightly different to that. So rather than go through there, what you can do is actually just have your image open in another tab. So let's say it's these galahs I'm looking at. So a galah is a parrot found predominantly here in Australia. So there's thousands of them there everywhere. We've actually got one as a pet that talks and does a few things like that. So let's say we have this particular one. I like this image for my document. I can just click on that and drag it, go into the document, come down into the text and let it go, and it will pop straight onto my page. So I'll just move it up, and there's the picture of the galah that we've copied across. So that's how I do it more often than not. Rather than going and searching, I'll use the Google image search feature, which is this thing here, which gives me a much better list. I can see lots of options at once, and a far better way to do it. In the next lecture, we're going to look at how we can edit our photos. So I'll sign off for now and talk to you again soon.